Replacing the fuse is first-level maintenance. This must be done with the transmitter off and disconnected from the main power source. To replace the fuse, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a flat screwdriver. Also, make sure to practice ESD safety measures. To open the top cover, remove the 4 screws on the sides and slide the top cover slightly to the rear. Then the top may be lifted off. The fuse is located close to the main power input, under a plastic shield. To access the fuse holder, remove the 2 screws, taking care not to drop them into the transmitter. Be careful not to touch electronic boards or components. Use the flat blade screwdriver to remove the black cover of the fuse holder. Then you can remove the fuse. Install the new fuse and replace the black cover. Then reinstall the plastic shield. Place the top cover slightly to the rear, slide it into place, and tighten the 4 screws on the sides. Reconnect the transmitter to the main power and confirm proper operation.